Alright guys, this is my fix. I am in no shape or form a monitor expert, but if you're having issues with the red tint or it gets too dark when you turn HDR on, this is how I fix it, okay? Here is the certification for the monitor, and it's definitely on the list down here, as you can see. So it's definitely 1000 nit HDR certified, whatever. This monitor though, it's got a mind of its own. I swear, because sometimes you can turn HDR on Windows and it'll say 200 nits, but it didn't get it didn't get darker. Then sometimes it'll say over 1000 nits, but it didn't get brighter. Just every time it just stays the same. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to use a file that I found on a Reddit post, which I'll link the post down below in the description, and my Google Drive link down below in the description, so you can download the file and follow along and use it like me or whatever. But shout out to them over there, because that's where I got the file from, deep in that post somewhere. Can't remember who did it, but this is props to him. So go ahead and turn your HDR on, and make sure your local dimming set to high. All right, I'm opening up the NVIDIA control panel just so you see how bright I am right now. Okay, this is what it looks like now before we do the fix. I'll come back to this in a second. What you want to do after you download the Xiaomi file here, we don't need all of this, right? We just need the very first one. Okay. I mean, you can mess with that stuff if you want to, but we're just going to double click the first one. What I want to do is get ready to close this window. Okay. Put your cursor on the X, get ready to close it. Finger on the trigger. What's going to happen is it's going to get really dark here in a minute, and then it's going to get really bright. And when it gets really bright, just close it out. It'll stay that way. Let me fix it works. Okay. Next, I need to get there. And now, exit out. Now I'm going to open up the control panel again so you can see how bright I am in my background compared to, look at that. That's the fix, guys. Now, don't go messing with color profile or anything like that, because it'll switch it back. I mean, if it does, just do it again and you'll fix it again. But all right, red tint. There is a lot of ways you can fix this. There's no real way to do it though. Here's what I do. On mine is I go to the red channel, and I'm the brightness at 45, my gamma's at 98, and then I hit apply. Okay. But on all channels, again, I go to red, I change my gamma to 98 and my brightness down to 45. Okay. That's it. Hit apply. Then go to all channels, and I put my contrast on 90, okay, and my vibrance on like 60. All right, and then hit apply. That's what I do to fix it. Now that third link down there is going to be the click monitor DDC whatever. If you open it, so it'll take a minute the first time you do, but you go down here to your tray, and you'll see all these numbers. Just click on one, okay? And then click to the monitor, this monitor, and this will adjust the contrast, and this will adjust the brightness. This bar right here will mess with the saturation. I'm not quite sure what the blue one does, and of course this monitor doesn't have volume, so that don't matter. So if you want to mess with the color a little bit more, and maybe the brightness even a little bit more, you can use this file too, okay? So that's there if you want. Yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, and a fourth link. I'll leave a fourth link down there to my favorite HDR thing I like to watch when I get it to work. It'll be this one right here. And you're going to be stunned and amazed how good it looks. But yeah, and I would upload this video in HDR, but a lot of people that are watching it are obviously having trouble, and I don't want it to look bad or whatever. Just it's confusing enough, so that's why I didn't. Yeah, I think that's it. So consider subscribing, guys, and I got a lot more on my channel, a lot of good stuff. I'm a gamer. I'm assuming you guys are too. So thank you for watching. Until it's over. Peace.